Hey tree lovers, Joel Mizell here with the tree planters at thetreeplanters.com. I am in my car pulling out of a neighborhood and saw this. I wanted to make a quick video. That is 3 sabal palms, and that is a big reclinata palms. I wanted to show you 3 things. First of all, those sabal palms, the trunks are orange, and that is because recently they skinned these trees, got all the old bootage off of it, and this is what is left after you deboot a sabal palm. A nice, clean orange trunk. Now we come down here to this multi-trunk reclinata. This is also called a Senegal date palm. Look how it is above the wall on the backside, but the foliage is the screen for everything above the wall. It's a great look. This is what you can do with a reclinata palm. We have both sabal palms, reclinata palms, every other kind of palm. We got it all at the Tree Planters. Go to thetreeplanters.com. Call us from there and we'll get you what you want pretty quick. Have a good day.